Let's be honest. Everyone wants to stand out. Whether it's in school, work, or life in general, we all want to be better, achieve more, and be admired for our skills and success. But most people think that being better than others means working harder, being naturally gifted, or getting lucky. That's where they're wrong. The truth is, standing out isn't just about talent or luck. It's about applying a few smart, strategic habits that most people overlook. Today, I'm going to share 10 surprising ways to become better than others. And trust me, once you start applying these, you'll see a massive difference in how people perceive you and how successful you become. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This channel is all about self-improvement, success tips, and life hacks. So if you're serious about becoming the best version of yourself, you don't want to miss out. Also, comment below, which of these strategies do you think will have the biggest impact on your life? Let's talk about it. What we'll cover: think differently. Master the art of listening. Develop a unique skill. Be consistent, not just talented. Learn to sell yourself. Control your emotions. Take risks. Others won't. Work smarter, not harder. Surround yourself with winners. Build a strong personal brand. So can we start now? More discussion. You will surprise at end of the video, so don't skip the video. Are you ready? 1. Think differently. Most people follow the crowd. They think the way society tells them to, and they never question the norm. But the people who truly stand out are the ones who think differently. They look at problems in new ways, challenge assumptions, and find creative solutions that others don't see. If you want to be better than others, start by changing how you think. Master the art of listening. Want to instantly make people respect you more? Listen more than you speak. Most people are too busy waiting for their turn to talk. But the smartest and most influential people are great listeners. When you listen actively, you learn more, build stronger connections, and gain valuable insights that others miss. Develop a unique skill. If you're just good at everything, you'll blend in. But if you develop one unique skill that very few people have, you'll be irreplaceable. It could be public speaking, coding, negotiation, or even a niche hobby. Just make sure it's something valuable. Be consistent, not just talented. Talent is overrated. Plenty of talented people never achieve anything significant because they lack consistency. The people who succeed are the ones who show up every day, even when they don't feel like it. Consistency beats talent, every single time. Learn to sell yourself. No matter how smart, skilled, or hardworking you are, if you don't know how to sell yourself, you'll always be overlooked. Learn how to market yourself, whether it's through personal branding, networking, or social media, so people recognize your value. Control your emotions. Most people react emotionally to situations, which makes them unpredictable and unreliable. But those who can control their emotions, especially in stressful situations, have a huge advantage. Emotional intelligence makes you a better leader, a smarter decision maker, and someone people trust. Take risks. Others won't. The biggest rewards in life come from taking calculated risks. Most people are too afraid of failure, so they never take action. If you want to be better than others, start taking smart risks. Step out of your comfort zone, try new things, and embrace failure as part of the process. Work smarter, not harder. Hard work is important, but working smarter is even better. The most successful people find ways to maximize their productivity, automate tasks, and focus on what truly matters. Instead of working long hours, learn to work efficiently and get more done in less time. Surround yourself with winners. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you surround yourself with lazy, negative people, you'll become just like them. But if you spend time with ambitious, motivated individuals, their energy will push you to grow. Choose your circle wisely. 10. Build a strong personal brand. In today's world, your reputation matters, whether it's online or offline. People judge you based on your brand. If you have a strong personal brand, opportunities will come to you instead of you having to chase them. Start by being authentic, sharing valuable insights, and building credibility in your field. Which of these 10 habits do you already follow? Which one do you think will have the biggest impact on your success? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. 10 surprising ways to become better than others. If you apply even a few of these, you'll stand out, achieve more, and be ahead of the competition. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more self-improvement.